Hey my friends, today we are making something a little bit more elegant. Not fall, not Halloween. This right here is wallpaper. It's like a textured, it's so gorgeous. Me and my mom went to a thrift store Monday. Everything for Labor Day was 50% off. Everything in the store was 50% off. So I was very excited. So I got that for like $1.50. The tray was only $1, clearance from Dollar General. I give you a better look at this wallpaper. Oh, y'all are going to love it. I got 2 rolls. They actually had a bunch there. And I'm kind of wishing I would have got another one. But it's 11 yards. So I'm going to be able to do plenty of projects. Especially with 2. But look at this, y'all. It's paintable, too. I don't know where this originally came from. But I even think like $3 is not bad for this. I mean, that's huge. And you can do so many things with it. So if you know where this is from, please just comment below. Let me know. Maybe others can look for it or, look at this. Like I said, it's textured and it's paintable, which is really cool. I love it. So, yeah, like I said, that tray was $1. It was clearance from Dollar General. We're going to take some Aleene's tacky glue and we're going to put it over the entire tray. By the time we get done, at least I feel like this looks more like a ceramic piece. You know what I mean? And y'all, I didn't speed up this video. I hope that's okay. If you prefer them sped up, let me know, but I didn't speed them up. So I cut a piece that would, fit on there. We'll just trim off the excess. So we got the glue all on there. Now we're going to lay it down. Now, obviously, when you're going up the side, there's that curve. So I just took my time and went around it, and it worked out fine. I think I maybe had one wrinkle, but you can barely tell. Because I really took my time to work it around and kind of let it, how do I say it? Kind of like melt into the tray by itself. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. You guys, drop me a comment. Let me know what you did for Labor Day. Me and my mom, like I said, we went to Shipshewana, which is in Indiana. It's like a huge flea market with a bunch of vendors. A lot of Amish are out there. And then we found that thrift store. Y'all, I was more excited for the thrift store than Shipshewana. It was fun, but every single thing, even a desk, there was like $4. It was really nice. It was our only sale, so that was the last day. So, yep, I got me a whole cart full of stuff for only $20. I was very excited. See how we're just kind of like slowly working it around? Yeah, and you see me jump? There was a moth. Yeah. See, look at that. Isn't that pretty, y'all? It already looking good. Now we're going to take some sheepskin acrylic paint, and we're going to go over that. And the sheepskin is a little bit darker. So that wallpaper is more white tone, and then this is kind of got like a little bit of a tan to it. So we're going to go over the entire piece with that. I don't think you'll be able to, I don't know, you might be able to tell the difference in color. I'm not sure. But sheepskin is a really pretty color. I think I got that off of Amazon. I will link it below if I can find it. If you haven't noticed, you haven't been on here long enough, I love clearance. I try not to do retail prices if I can help it. So I got these pearls, and those are going to be our legs. So we're going to take some super glue and put one on each of the corners. I thought that was appropriate for the look I was going for. And I'm not an elegant person, but I think I did pretty good with this. I own nothing fancy. But, yeah. I'm just not a fancy person. So hopefully I did this justice. And I'm sure you guys are happy that I'm kind of stepping away from fall and Halloween for a minute, huh? So there's our legs. Now, those little dots that are kind of like raised on there, we're going to put some of my little, they're like stickers, but they're half-back pearl. What do you call them? You know, flat-back pearls. So I'm just using my Barely Art Glue because that stuff works really well for a lot of things, not just paper. It's really good glue. I highly recommend it. I got that off the Mindless Crafting website, and I'll link that below as well in case you want to grab some. It's got like a very fine tip that comes with it, so it makes projects like this so easy. You know, so you ain't got like a ton of glue just constantly coming out and wasting. I don't like to waste. Don't forget, if you are new, to go ahead and subscribe and stick around. I'm working so hard to get to my 1,000. I can't wait. I'm getting closer and closer. So definitely subscribe. Give this thumb. Don't give him a thumb. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, because that helps push me out to others who haven't seen me yet. And I would appreciate that more than you know. Yeah, those little suckers, they kept getting stuck to my finger, and you see, I'm like, dang it. I don't know how many times I said dang it while trying to do that. Probably a lot. But I finally got them on there. And I do show you that as well once I get them where I want them. I don't do them all, I promise. You ain't going to have to sit here and watch me put every single pearl on. So there we go. Got them where I want them. I think that looks really pretty. Now we're going to take this Rust-Oleum glitter. I'm sure some of you have already seen this. Oh boy, I always do this. Okay. So that is, I found it at Menards, but I'm sure you can find it like Home Depot or Lowe's. It's made for walls, but it works great on projects. I've had it for a few months now, and it's still got a lot left. And this glitter don't rub off, which is amazing because a lot of people don't like glitter that just goes off everywhere. So it doesn't rub off, and it's gorgeous. I got this one, a Harvest Gold and a Rose Gold. It's probably my favorite stuff that I have right now. I love some shimmer. You have to let me know if you like shimmer or not. And if you hate glitter because it takes a year to get rid of, would you consider this? That's a question for you. I was trying to get y'all to see the shimmer. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit. It's hard to kind of see on video. That's the only thing that sucks sometimes. Look how pretty that is. Oh, look at, now you can see the shimmer. See it? Booyah. Okay, here's some pearl string lights. So I was like, yep, this is definitely perfect. We're going to add some of those. I can't remember where those came from. I'll look on Amazon. I don't know if it was Amazon or not. Or maybe they were given to me. I'm not sure. I'll look on Amazon. And if I can't find this, I will see if I can find some other really pretty pearl lights for y'all. And then the decoration pieces. I think those are called vase fillers or something. Bowl fillers or something. I also found it at thrift store Monday. And I snatched them up. Anytime I can find those kind of things, I grab them. So that way when I'm doing my videos, I can, like, you know what I mean? I don't know, decorate it and display it better. I'm trying to get better with my displaying and all that. I'm not professional, y'all. And here it is. I hope y'all love it. I love it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below. I really love it. You see how it kind of really looks like it's ceramic? I think that's what it's called. I think it really does. Thank you guys for being here and watching. And thank you for all the support and love. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.